You're looking at a video of a mini submarine designed by Elon Musk himself being tested in a pool of a high school in Los Angeles, one that the Tesla CEO shipped off to Thailand to help rescue the last members of the Thai soccer team trapped in a cave. That was just one post in a weekend flurry of tweets by Musk, none of which talked about Tesla at all. Musk tweeted a total of 10 times this weekend. Every single one of those tweets was about the rescue effort in Thailand. He even answered questions about his mini submarine when he wasn't busy showing videos of it or praising rescuers. And this comes just days after Musk took to Twitter and blasted a handful of media organizations for what he viewed as misleading stories about Tesla. Question here: is he intentionally trying to distract investors from Tesla? Seberg, what do you say?
Look, I mean, this is a very sensitive situation given the fact there were so many people in jeopardy there. But I would say no, it probably is not a distraction. I think that in general, if he wants to distract people, I think he'll be much more direct. In my opinion, I think the institutional investor, the core holders of this on the institutional side, are a little bit, nervous, if you will, by his tweets. Not these in particular, but I think earlier tweets just about cash flow, profitability, et cetera, that he has really no, I think, policy on, and he should not be tweeting on that stuff. So I think there's a frustration from the standpoint of scared factor.
Do you want to be invested in a company whose CEO tweets and goes after
some of the diehard Tesla people? They love
that.
They love it. This is the guy that they're betting on, and they're taking him, into the future. Ultimately to Mars, Pete. I mean, so I think this stuff this weekend is cool. It shows us who he is. It shows us his humanity.
The innovation of the company.
Technology's involved here.
And I think the other stuff, though, attacking the press is not particularly useful. Right. And if I was his board, I would not.
But none of this is new. Let's be clear. I don't think there's a conspiracy here. I don't think he's trying to distract people from some greater.
Like here's a shiny object. Look over here. Look over here.
Definitely not. This is a guy that's been very outspoken. He's very confident about the cars he's building and the process he's underway. And I think sometimes he doesn't sweat the details. And when people sweat the details, because that's what Wall Street does, I think it bums him out. I think the bottom line here is the stock has underperformed. If it's a tech company, it's underperformed the triple Qs by 12% over the last couple of years. And I'm not just picking spots. You can pick a lot of different spots. I think at some point, I think the market is starting to worry whether these guys get to the next phase, because the technology is not in question. It's the other part.
And I don't disagree with you on the fact that it's lagged in terms of the stock appreciation of this, but I still view it as a tech company. I think a lot of the people who hold the stock, I think look at it as a tech company.
You have to.
And I think Wall Street still looks at it as a car company. And that's the disconnect that I think we're seeing right now. I think the majority of the folks out on Wall Street.
It's schizophrenic because they want to look at it as a car company in terms of deliveries, but they want to give it the valuation of a tech company.
Absolutely. You're 100% right. And I think that's the part that I think, and Elon has not done a great job of actually letting people know this is a tech company and we are feeding ourselves into the hardware side of it.
I think everybody knows GM and Ford and Tesla all the same market cap. It's being valued as a tech company. That's right. I mean.
But the analysts don't think so.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.